repeat this thing. Suppose we need to address to this problem. The problem is alarm system. There are 4 inputs and there are 3 outputs. The logic we need to realize is if any one input is high, we need not to ask any. We need not to do anything. That is, do nothing. If any 2 inputs are high, make the red output high. I'm in the class. If any 2 are high, we need to make red output high. If any 3 are high, we need to indicate the alarm with the siren sound. If all 4 inputs are high, we need to notify fire station. So in order to realize this thing, first we need to find out how many combinations of how many combinations of any 2 to be high. In that case, we can use this formula. NCR, that is nothing but 4C2, which is equal to, in this case, it is coming to be 6. There are 6 combinations. So, कैसा करेंगे आप इसको? One is AB. Second one, AC. Third one, A, D, right?
Yes.
3 हो गए. Then B. AB is already done. Or BA, AB both are same. So we will go for B, C. Then second one, B and D. Right?
Yes.
Then consider last one, C. C. C with A is already done. C with B is already done.
CD.
CD is left. So like that, there are 6 combinations. 6 combinations of 2 to be on in a pair of 4 inputs. Hope it is clear to everybody. Yes, no?
Sir, clear.
हाँ, ये output क्या लगाएंगे हम? Red. Okay. So how about the next rung? Rung number 2. Rung number 2 is for what? Which output?
For siren.
For siren. So what is asked in this particular case? Make the siren on if any 3 are on. चलिए इसको कैसा करेंगे? 4C3. 4C3 कितने होते हैं बाबा?
4.
4C3 कितने होते हैं? अच्छे से कैलकुलेट करके बोलो.
4.
हाँ, फॉर्मूला बोलो मेरे को.
n factorial by n minus 1.
हाँ, तो इसमें फॉर्मूला बोलिए आप. ये
n factorial by
बोल तो कितना हो गया ये? 4 फैक्टोरियल
by npr.
अजी बाबा, ये 4C3 का आपने तो फॉर्मूला बोलिए.
4 3 2 1 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by
4 by
divided by
again 4.
हाँ
नहीं सर, एक मिनट 4 3 2 1. सर divided by
हाँ
divided by 4 minus 1
हाँ
factorial.
चलो कितना होता हो? That is
4
coming to be 4.
4, yes.
Okay, let us see this. A, B, C is one combination, right? A, C, D is another combination.
Yes.
चलिए अब A को छोड़ दीजिए, अब B को पकड़िए. B, C, D is another combination.
Yes.
चलिए अब उसके बाद now next consider C, D, C D ये तो ऑलरेडी आ गया ना.
ये सर आ गया सी डी ए.
A B C हो गया, A C D हो गया,
सर सी ए भी नहीं आया, सी ए भी.
C A B, C A and B. Right. Okay. So this is required to make the siren on. चलिए then last rung नंबर 3. चलिए इसके लिए क्या भाई, क्या कंस्ट्रेंट है? 4C4 कितना हो जाएगा?
1 सर 1.
1. Great. So that's why it is simply A, B, C and D. This is fire station. चल रहा नहीं है. Okay. Hope it is clear to everybody.
Yes sir, clear.
Then we will move further. Let us see how much portion of syllabus is completed so far. Programming on-off input to produce on-off output, PLC input instruction, output operation procedure, contact, coil, input-output programming examples. Up to this much we have completed. Now we are going into realization of digital logic, PLC programming and conversion examples. So these two things I am trying to go into now. Relation of digital gate logic with contact while logic. This
Sir?
relation we will see now. Yeah.
सर लॉजिक डायग्राम डालने बाद कनेक्शन डायग्राम भी डालना एग्जाम में.
हाँ अगर पूछा तो डालना.
ओके.
लेकिन कनेक्शन डायग्राम डालने से आप लोगों का कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत क्लियर हो जाता था वो बोरों में.
जी सर.
हाँ डाले तो आपको बेहतरीन बहुत बहुत एडवांटेज मिलता. बट इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी. नेवर दिस थिंग आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन. ओके आगे बढ़ेंगे.
यस सर.
ओके फर्स्ट व्हाट वी विल डू इज using the logic we will try to draw the digital diagram, then that we will move into the ladder diagram. Okay, under this using a statement we will try to using statement try to draw first one digital circuit, second one ladder diagram. ठीक है करेंगे 3-4 एग्जांपल्स इसके. आर यू रेडी? यस नो? अरे बोलो बाबा. आर यू रेडी और नॉट?
Yes, sir, ready.
चलिए फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. सपोज आउटपुट 122 need is to be on only when either I7 and I8 are on. right? Or I9 and I10 are on. Okay. In addition to this, it is also mentioned that output 122 या फिर कुछ एक नंबर है भाई, there is some number. Output 122 can also be on when all four inputs are on. कैसा करेंगे इसको बताइए? How can we draw the diagram? Digital circuit. First, try to draw digital circuit for this. अब डिजिटल सर्किट ड्रॉ करने से पहले बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन लिखना पड़ेगा. So we will write boolean expression 122 output is equal to I7, I8 or I9, I10. Can we write like this? Yes, no. As per this statement, can we write the boolean expression like
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can.
हाँ, अब इसी सर्किट डायग्राम ड्रॉ करिए. Take one AND gate, connect it to I7, connect it to I8, and take another AND gate, connect it to I9, connect it to I10, and use one OR gate and realize the complete circuit. Call it to me. Output 122. इधर देखिए, output 122 is to be on only when either this and this are on or I9 and I8 are on. ये दोनों में को ऑन करना है या फिर ये दोनों को ऑन करना है. In that case, the output will be on. Another point is mentioned that if all inputs are on, in that case also it is on. Yes, that is also. Hope it is clear to everybody. Yes, no. Yes, no. क्या वो लंबी हो गई क्या क्लास? वेरी
Sir.
सॉरी फॉर दैट. थोड़ा हेवी हो रहा.
No, sir.
तो सिंपल है ना जी बाबा, इसमें डाउट है? क्लियर है ये?
Clear है sir. Clear है.
Okay. Then next, ladder diagram. How can we draw ladder diagram for this?
Ladder
कैसे ड्रॉ
diagram.
करेंगे? I7, I8 in series, in parallel,
I9, I10.
I9, I10. Connected to output 122. Right? This is about this problem. Now next, consider next problem. Suppose we have a conveyor belt C. Conveyor belt C. Okay. So we want to run this conveyor belt. So for this, let us suppose that we have four inputs for on and four inputs for off. Okay, right? Okay, this is the logic. Run C if any one among four start input, any one, run C if any one among 4 start inputs is high. Okay, run C. Stop C if any one among 4 stop inputs is high. How can we write this logic? It's very simple. It is given that there are 4 start inputs and 4 stop inputs. So we can write the function, the logic function C is equal to, suppose starts are represented with uh, ST, right? ST1, ST2, ST3, ST4. We write this as AND logic because any one among this is need to be sense for ANDing operation. Oh, I'm sorry for that. Any one means OR, not AND. Okay. The second logic is add any one among this stop. Stop is suppose represented with SP, SP1 or SP2 or SP3 or SP4 whole cap, right? Whole cap. Okay.
Cap means not get, na sir?
Yeah, yeah. You see, the meaning of this is this C need to be stopped if any of this is pressed. That's why we need to write as no. This is yes, this is no. When this is yes and this is no, run this. Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
I repeat, if start is yes, stop is no, then run this conveyor. So in order to realize this thing, we need to modify this equation. So we need to modify this equation. So C is ST1 or ST2 or ST3 or ST4 and SP1. Apply De Morgan's theorem. Apply De Morgan's theorem. Then R become and, right?
Yes, yes.
Hope it is clear to everybody.
Yes, sir, clear.
Now we can realize this with the help of digital circuit. First, digital circuit. Digital circuit. So for this, we need to take an OR gate. I can write ST1 so on up to ST4. And for this also we can use OR followed by NOT gate.
Not get.
SP1 so on up to SP4. And these two can be connected to because it is AND gate. This is C. You see, this part is this one, and this part is this one. Hope it is clear to everybody.
What, sir? What, sir?
Yeah, SP1 bar and SP2 bar and SP3 bar and SP4 bar is this one. Or followed by not. Or followed by not क्या होता?
Bar.
इधर देखिए ये ना होता ये.
Yes, 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 yes.
Right? First realize or logic. अंदर का काम हो जाएगा. First apply internal work. SP1 or SP2 or SP3 और SP4. उसके ऊपर टोपी पिनाओ उसको. कैसा पिनेंगे टोपी? Connected to
Not gate.
correct. Then in between these two, there is AND gate. This is AND gate. Hope it is clear to everybody.
Yes, sir. Clear.
चलिए अब इसका लैडर डायग्राम. Ladder diagram. Okay. See, this is connected in series. We can use normally closed logic. And this part is connected in parallel. ST1, ST2, ST3, ST4. And this is conveyor belt C. This is the realization. देखिए बोलिए समझ में आया नहीं आया?
Sir, आ गया sir.
Everybody, I want more voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you for that. Let us see the problem which is done earlier in this relation conversion. Okay. Spending little more time in this because this is very useful thing. And fortunately, I got additional class today. Okay. Let us see this example.
Sir, can we continue tomorrow?
Already time is over now. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, thank you for joining.
Sir? Yes, sir,
Yeah,
sir.
tell.
Sir, वो questions दीजिए ना sir.
काय के क्वेश्चन देऊ बाबा?